You spent money on mulch last spring. You will spend money on mulch again this spring, and the spring after that, and the spring after that, for the rest of your life, buying the same bags, spreading the same material, watching it decompose, and watching the weeds push through anyway by July. The average American homeowner spends between $200 and $500 on mulch every single year. Every single year, forever. There is a different way. 7 plants that spread across bare soil on their own, choke weeds out completely, feed the soil as they grow, and once planted, never need replacing. Not next year, not in 10 years, not ever. You buy them once, they work forever, and they look 1,000 times better than a bed of brown wood chips. Number 1 on this list will completely transform the ugliest spot in your yard by next summer. Stay with me.
Plant 7.
White clover. This one does something none of the other 6 plants on this list can do. It pulls nitrogen out of the air and deposits it directly into your soil for free every single day it is growing. Nitrogen is the primary ingredient in every lawn fertilizer bag you have ever bought. White clover manufactures it naturally through a process called nitrogen fixation, a partnership with soil bacteria that converts atmospheric nitrogen into a form plant roots can absorb. Plant white clover in any bare or struggling area of your garden, and the soil beneath it becomes measurably more fertile within one growing season, within one growing cycle. Every plant growing near it benefits from the nitrogen it deposits. It spreads by runners that root as they travel, filling bare soil steadily and completely without any help from you.
The dense mat it forms suppresses weeds as effectively as any ground cover on this list. The white pom-pom flowers from May through September are one of the most important food sources for bumblebees in North America. You are simultaneously improving your soil, suppressing weeds, and feeding pollinators from one plant that costs almost nothing. Grass seed companies spent decades telling you clover was a weed to eliminate from your lawn. They sold you the fertilizer you needed because you had eliminated the plant that made fertilizer for free. Think about that for a second. Plant 6.
Ajuga. This one does not just suppress weeds, it intimidates them. Bronze, purple, glossy foliage so dense that nothing grows through it. A mature ajuga mat is essentially a living weed barrier that also happens to look spectacular. In May, tall blue flower spikes shoot up 6 to 9 inches above the foliage. The contrast between the deep bronze purple leaves and the electric blue spikes is one of the most dramatic color combinations in the spring garden. It looks like something a professional landscape architect specified. It spreads by surface runners that root every few inches. Within 2 seasons, a single plant becomes a dense mat covering several square feet.
Within 5 seasons, you have a permanent ground cover that requires zero maintenance and eliminates weeding in every area it covers. It tolerates foot traffic, it tolerates dry shade, it tolerates the kind of difficult spots under trees and along foundations where most plants simply refuse to grow. One note, edge it once a season to keep it from crossing into your lawn. That single task replaces every hour you currently spend weeding, mulching, and maintaining bare soil in the same area. The most visually dramatic ground cover on this list, the bronze purple color, holds from spring through winter. It looks good every single month of the year. That is more than most expensive perennials can claim. Plant 5.
Vinca minor, periwinkle. Walk through any established garden in America and you will find this plant. Under oak trees, along foundation beds, on north-facing slopes that get almost no sun. It is everywhere for one reason. It works everywhere. Glossy, dark evergreen leaves that hold color through winter. Purple-blue pinwheel flowers in April and May that appear before almost anything else in the spring garden. And a spreading habit that covers bare ground so completely and so permanently that gardeners who plant it once never mulch that area again. It roots at every node the trailing stems touch, quietly, steadily, season after season, filling every gap,
covering every inch of bare soil and eliminating every weed that tries to establish beneath it. Dry shade under mature trees, the single most difficult garden condition in America, Vinca handles it without complaint. The dense root system of established trees that steals moisture from everything else planted nearby does not slow Vinca down. One thing to know, Vinca spreads with real determination, planted in areas where you are happy for it to cover ground permanently, not mixed into a bed with other perennials you want to protect. Give it its own space, and it will manage that space better than any amount of mulch you could spread over it. Evergreen, flowering, self-spreading, zero maintenance. The ground cover that has been solving the dry shade problem in American gardens for over 100 years. Plant 4. Creeping phlox. Now, I saved this one for last because it does something none of the other 6 can do. For 3 weeks in April and May, it stops traffic. I mean that literally. People slow their cars down in front of yards where creeping phlox is in full bloom. The electric pink, purple, white, and magenta cascade down slopes and over walls with a density and color saturation that looks almost unreal, like someone poured paint over the landscape. Every year, without fail, without you doing anything. Here is the situation it was built for. That slope in your yard, the one you mow carefully every week because you cannot think of anything else to do with it, the one that erodes when it rains hard, the one the mower almost tips on, plant creeping phlox on that slope this spring. Next spring, you will never mow it again. The year after that, the slope is completely covered. No erosion, no bare soil, no mulch, no weeds. Just 3 weeks of the most spectacular flower display in your entire neighborhood, followed by 9 months of clean evergreen ground cover that holds the slope permanently. Municipalities plant it on highway embankments specifically to eliminate both erosion and maintenance permanently. You have the same solution available at any garden center for $4 a plant. The foliage is evergreen. The flowers come back identically every April without dividing, without feeding, and without any intervention. After one shearing immediately after bloom to keep it dense, you are done. That is your entire annual relationship with this plant. $4, one shearing per year, a slope that never needs mowing again, and stops traffic for 3 weeks every spring. That is the deal. That is number 1. Plant number 3, Echinacea, purple coneflower. This one does not just replace mulch. It feeds your soil, feeds birds, feeds monarch butterflies on their migration, and feeds your garden's entire pollinator ecosystem simultaneously. Plant Echinacea in a mass of 7 or more, and the combined root system, deep, extensive, reaching 2 feet into the soil, breaks up compacted ground, improves drainage, and adds organic matter as the roots die back and regenerate each season. The soil beneath a mature Echinacea mass planting is measurably more aerated, more biologically active, and more fertile than mulched soil in the same location. The plants are improving the ground they stand in every single season. It self-sows gently into surrounding bare soil. Daughter plants appear exactly where you would want new ones. The colony expands naturally over years, covering more ground each season without you buying a single additional plant. Leave the seed heads standing through winter. Goldfinches strip them from October through February. Monarchs work every open flower during the September migration. You are not just replacing mulch. You are building a living ecosystem that gets richer, more biodiverse, and more beautiful every single year. USDA zones 3 through 9. Any soil, zero maintenance beyond cutting spent stems in November. The most ecologically productive plant on this list, and the one that earns its place in the ground most convincingly of all.